Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to reset and repair any apps on Windows 11, PC or laptop. You just need to follow me. At first, right click on Start menu. After then click on Settings. From Settings window, please click on Apps, and from right side, please click on Install Apps. After then click on which apps you need to reset and repair. Scroll down. I choose this reset and repair. So click on the dot button and click on advanced options. Scroll down, so you just see that reset, repair and reset. Repair and reset. Reset. So it will repair and reset your apps. Hope this video tutorial helpful for you. So please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel for next videos. Thank you for watching.